Good morning, everyone. In the last lecture, we talked about components of business letter, right? Now, today the topic is types of business letters. So, since business letters are written with various purposes that make different type of letter. So, first one is acknowledgement letter, a type of letter which is sent to acknowledge the receipt of items or inquiries from someone, individuals, or an organization that are called acknowledgement letter. Simply, we can say that acknowledgement letter is a written or printed communication addressed to a person, company, etc. for recognition of another's authority, existence, right, validity, etc. Usually sent by post in an envelope. जब किसी चीज का हमें नॉलेज चाहिए होता है that is sent to acknowledge the receipt of items or inquiries from someone, these are called acknowledgement letters. Then second one is apology letter. Apology letter is a type of letter which is generally written to say sorry or simply a way of expressing regret towards a past action or occurrence with a sincere objective to rectify them. It reflects our honesty and sincerity as they are used to convey that you accept the responsibility for the mistakes. In an organization, apology email to client is written with the use of technological devices, and also apology email to customer is also written. ओके एपोलॉजी का मतलब होता है हमें किसी को सॉरी बोलना है कि हमें रिग्रेट है किसी चीज का, तो उसके लिए हम जो लेटर के थ्रू जो कम्युनिकेट करते हैं दैट इज नोन एज द एपोलॉजी लेटर. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट वन इज appreciation letter. Appreciation letter is a type of letter generally written by senior level staff to lower level staff to convey gratitude for some appreciable thing they have done and to motivate junior staffs. These are warm and positive letters of goodwill thanking someone for his or her favors, kindness, or activities that deserve appreciation. In an organization, appreciation letter to employee for good performance is written. Along with the appreciation letters, appreciation mail and appreciation email for good work and also are also forwarded. ओके तो जब हम किसी को मोटिवेट करते हैं किसी के काम के लिए तो जो लेटर हम लिखते हैं दैट इज नोन एज द appreciation letter. Then after circular letter. सर्कुलर लेटर जैसे हमें नाम पे पता चल रहा है कि कोई चीज हम सर्कुलेट कराना चाहते हैं तो वो जो लेटर के थ्रू हम कम्युनिकेट करते हैं उसे हम कहते हैं सर्कुलर लेटर. इट इज अ टाइप ऑफ लेटर दैट इज सेंट टू अ क्लोज ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल विद द इंटेंशन ऑफ बीइंग वाइडली सर्कुलेटेड. Companies generally use circular letters to offer products and services for sale, convey information about new facilities, or notify about some development within the organization which reach to the potential customer as served as important tool of advertisements. Okay, तो कोई भी चीज हमारी नई इंफॉर्मेशन हमें कन्वे करनी है तो हम उसे कहते हैं सर्कुलर लेटर. Then complaint letter. Complaint letter is a very specific and objective type of letter. It is generally written to deal with the problem situation when other attempts, as a phone contact, email, etc., have failed to rectify the situation. Complaint letter need to be responded promptly. जब भी कोई प्रॉब्लम अराइज होती है तो सबसे पहले हम उसको ओरली सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करते हैं. जब हमारा ईमेल फोन कांटेक्ट के थ्रू अगर हम फेल हो जाते हैं उसको रेक्टिफाई करने में देन वी मूव टू द कंप्लेंट लेटर. ओके, then confirmation letter. Confirmation letter is a formal letter that follows to the verbal agreement made between two parties to ensure that the parties in the conversation have a written statement of what was agreed. It helps to avoid the misunderstanding that may arise later. Emails are popularly used to transmit confirmation letters. ओके जब कोई चीज का एग्रीमेंट फिक्स हो जाता है तो उसके लिए जो लेटर लिखा जाता है ताकि फर्दर कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट नहीं हो तो उन लेटर्स को हम कहते हैं कन्फर्मेशन लेटर. Then cover letter. Cover letter is a type of letter that is submitted with the job application explaining the applicant's credentials and interest in the open position. They are brief messages explaining what has been attached or enclosed with the mail. Okay, तो जॉब एप्लीकेशन में एप्लीकेंट्स की क्रेडेंशियल इंटरेस्ट उसमें जो डाली जाती है वो जो लेटर होता है उसे हम कहते हैं कवर लेटर. Inquiry letter, it is a type of letter that is written to individuals or companies to request information and or ascertain its authenticity regarding such as the supply of particular goods or services. They briefly and clearly state the details from a service seeker's or buyer's perspective. Okay, किसी चीज की हम information लेना चाहते हैं, then we request in a polite way by the inquiry letter. Order letter, that is a type of letter that is generally written when the company orders goods or services to buy from another company. Individual may also write order letter if they are placing an order to buy something from the firm. ओके जब हम किसी को प्रोडक्ट्स के लिए जब हम ऑर्डर देते हैं, कंपनी जब ऑर्डर देती है, परचेज करती है किसी चीज को, तो वो जो लेटर लिखा जाता है उसे हम कहते हैं ऑर्डर लेटर. देन पेमेंट रिक्वेस्ट लेटर. Payment request letter is a type of letter written by the organization to the customers who have payment passed due to remind them that they should pay the dues by certain specific date. ओके किसी का पेमेंट ड्यू रह जाता है तो उसे रिमाइंड करवाने के लिए जो लेटर लिखा जाता है दैट इज पेमेंट रिक्वेस्ट लेटर. देन रिकमेंडेशन लेटर, that is a type of letter generally written to recommend someone for a job or position. It is also called reference letter, in which the writer assesses the qualities, characteristics, and capabilities of the person being recommended in terms of that individual's ability to perform a particular task. जब हम किसी को रिकमेंड करते हैं कोई जॉब के लिए, कोई पोजीशन के लिए, तो उसकी क्वालिटीज, उसकी कैरेक्टर, कैपेबिलिटी हम उसके जिस लेटर के थ्रू बताते हैं दैट इज नोन एज द रिकमेंडेशन लेटर. देन सेल्स लेटर्स. It is a direct order letter which is generally written to persuade the reader to purchase a particular product or service in the absence of a salesman. It can be longer than a page because it includes details about certain products or services. To influence and win customers, a sales letter is written from the audience perspective. Sales letter हम सेल जब करते हैं किसी चीज को, रीडर को मतलब रीडर को अट्रैक्ट करने के लिए हम ये चीज लिखते हैं सेल्स लेटर. पूरा ऑडियंस को ध्यान में रखकर लिखा जाता है, तो जो हमें प्रोडक्ट सेल करना होता है उसके रिगार्डिंग ये लेटर जो है दैट इज नोन एज द सेल्स लेटर. देन स्टैंडर्ड लेटर्स. स्टैंडर्ड लेटर इज द टाइप ऑफ लेटर written by the company or organization to send a reply or general information to many correspondents. Many business letters involve similar formats and subject matters covering various routine business activities. For efficiency and to save time, many companies have developed a standard letter which can be developed from pre-existing format. जब कोई लेटर का रिप्लाई किया जाता है तो एक पर्टिकुलर फॉर्मेट कई कंपनी क्या करती है, पर्टिकुलर फॉर्मेट में, प्रिंटेड फॉर्मेट में अपना लेटर, एक स्टैंडर्ड लेटर जनरेट करती है एज अ रिप्लाई जो है वो सेंड करने के लिए. देन रेजिग्नेशन लेटर्स. Resignation letter is the shortest formal type of letter. Generally, if somebody is quitting a job or intend to leave a position currently held, such as an office, employment, or commission. It is simple, clear, and includes the date when you are leaving. बहुत ही shortest formal letter है जिसमें जब आप resign करते हो किसी जॉब से, जब लेटर लिखोगे that is known as the resignation letter. Okay. So thank you everyone.